Good morning, everyone. It's currently 10:34, so it's more like a brunch. It's not like morning, but I'm going to make myself coffee, and then I'm gonna make myself some breakfast because I haven't eaten yet. Today is I have a free day. I don't work today, and it's drizzling outside. It's raining. It's pouring rain. I'm actually very glad the weather that weather is like this. I haven't talked in English for a long time and you can hear it. Okay, firstly, let's make some coffee. And I got myself a new glass. I really do like glasses and cups. I am kind of obsessed with stuff like this. I don't like drinking from an ugly glass. It's like, or cup. It doesn't taste the same. I can't talk, I can't. I'm pausing after every sentence, no, after every word, and I'm like, let's make a coffee. Oh, hell no. Okay. I'm very curious about the taste because I mixed two coffees because there was like, I mixed two coffees because I had one that was almost nothing there and there was a few bits in grinder already, so I just mixed it I just mixed it up and we'll see. I don't like espressos and I don't want to taste it. I love oat milk. It's great. This is what my coffee looks like. Let's try it. Maybe we will need some more milk, but I don't think so because this is just enough. I think I would add some milk. I just think these two coffees I mixed didn't get quite together and that's the reason it tastes just the way it does. This is good. Perfect. Slight feeling that something's off and that it won't work, but okay, maybe it will. Maybe I just need to leave it there for like 10 minutes or maybe 15. Let's leave it here and we'll see. Maybe it'll grow, and I really do hope it will because I want to eat, you know. Yesterday I chopped off my hair. I remember times when I was like, wow, I don't understand women who have this short, like really short hair. But I am liking this. I have never felt better in my hair. That's a lie. No, it's true. I don't know, some days I feel like I have never had better hair, but not right now, okay? Right now it's not styled. I just woke up and I look like a little boy, but that's okay. I had this longer pixie cut and I was like, I will let it grow. But then I was just scrolling my Pinterest and I saw this beautiful women with pixie cuts and I was like, no, don't do this to me. So I just cut it. But I'm liking this. It's like when I turn my head, there's nothing here. Nothing. Because back then there was like something. Now, nothing. I don't have a pretty shape back of my head because this is flat. But with this, somehow it doesn't look as flat as it used to look with longer hair. I think I will cut it even shorter. It's still long and I won't just I want to style it, but I don't want to have like chunks of hair. I just want to have little... I never had this short hair and I'm like, no, it's fine. I love it. I was thinking about making a coffee station in my flat. Behind this corner there is like this space. We have a dining table there, but if I turn it sideways, this coffee station would be nice because we have a very small kitchen, and with my coffee stuff and everything, there is not much space for cooking and making things in kitchen. So I was like, this is a good idea. I think it would be nice. I just need to buy this table. Yesterday I was going through Pinterest, of course. I like something like this, but this is like too clean. I am not that clean. It would be more messy. I really do like this. This is like... But this looks a little bit expensive. It's like, yeah, I do have money and I do like coffee. I just wanted to say I really like coffee. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It's like woody because we don't own this place, and this place it's like a jungle. There's much woody stuff. A table, woody cafeteria table, everything. Even AC is colored brown. So I have to work with this.